I am good. I went to the dentist and everything is much less bad than anticipated. So that's all good.
Good job, you.
And that allowing technique helped so much. So every time it came up again, I just said, okay, you're allowed to be afraid and you're allowed to have anxiety, as if I was talking to a little me and just hugged her and everything. And then it calmed down. And then sometimes it came up again this morning. Of course, it came up again, but I just allowed it. And that was so good. That was just so good.
Good job. I'm so glad to hear that.
Yeah,
and for those who don't know about the allowing technique, I'll put a link in the description as well.
Yes.
Fantastic. Yes, it's a very powerful thing. And the funny thing about it is that when you first think about it, it doesn't sound like it's going to do much.
No, that's very true, but it did.
That's not going to help, but it does.
Yeah, but it really helped.